Hey, welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title, I finally bought some new wheels for the Supra. The UPS guy just showed up. I'm super excited to get these on the car. I'm super excited to show you guys what they look like. So let's get to unboxing these. We'll head over to the bank, grab some money, throw some tires on them, and get them on the car. So I've been waiting to get some new wheels for a while now. I've been looking and looking and looking. Couldn't find anything. And then I finally found someone on Facebook who had this set for a pretty good price, and I couldn't say no. So here we are, opening up the box. Ooh! Ooh! These are a lot nicer in person than they were in the photos. Ooh! They're a little dirty. I gotta get them cleaned. Look at these things. Alright, so these are the Kansei KNP wheels. They are 19 by 9.5 in the front and then 19 by 10.5 in the back. They are actually a lot more dirty than I thought they were, but they are in really good condition. No scratches on the lips, nothing. I don't see any scratches on the face. Can't wait to get over to the tire shop in a little while and get them on the car. But for now, let's open the rest of them, take them outside, give them a quick little rinse off, get all this brake dust off, clean them up a little bit, and then we'll get them on the car. Alright, so I decided I'm only going to clean up the faces and the outside of the barrels because I'm going to bring my car to get washed after I get the tires mounted anyway. So they're going to end up cleaning them anyway. So I just gave them a quick little rinse, got some of the dust off, made sure the outsides were nice and clean so when they put the tires on, everything's all good. I'm going to load them up in the truck right now and we're going to head over and go get them mounted. Let's give you guys a nice little cold start before we run over there. But this is the last time you'll see it with these stock wheels on for a while. Gets better and better every time. Thank you. Have a good day. So I had to stop at the bank, grab some cash. None of my friends know that I got the wheels in today. So after we get them mounted up and everything, I'm gonna go meet up with some of them and get some of their reactions on what they think after I put them on. I have like the worst reactions, but I really am super excited for this because this is like the first car I'm really building, and I don't know, just had super happy about how everything's coming out. All right, what do we got? Where are they at? These ones?
Oh, you're doing that?
Okay. So we got the Continental Extreme Contact Sports. I got 295, 35, 19 for the rears, and then I got 265, 35, 19 for the fronts. We're just waiting for him to pull the cars out of the shop so that we can pull mine in, and then we'll get things going.
Astro
The stock wheels are away. They were filthy. I am disgusting right now. I'm gonna clean up myself, and then we're gonna take the car over around the block to go get it cleaned, and then we'll go meet up with a couple people and get their reactions. And before we start making fun of my fitment, I know it has to be lowered. I have springs coming, so hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and watch out for that video because that's coming next. Look at this. This is trash. I could fit 3 fingers in there. No good. All right, so you're the first person to see the new wheels on the car. What do you think?
I think they're sweet. I like the way they fit, and I think the color goes well with it. When you lower it, you'll have that nice tuck. If you went with a 305, you might be too close to that.
I feel like if I went with a 305, the tire would have poked out a little too much for my liking.
Exactly, especially if you were to lower it, then you'd have to put, I feel like, too much camber.
Yeah, no, this is like...
You know, this looks perfect, though.
She thick.
Yeah.
She thick, she's not thick yet.
The front looks amazing.
Maybe she'll be thick one day. All right, so we're about to go meet up with Dan. He doesn't know that I put the new wheels on or even got them. So we're gonna go get his reaction right now and see what he thinks. I'm gonna pull in front of him so he can't see them. Because it's all fluffed up right now. I just kind of woke up. Come out real quick.
What do you mean you just woke up?
I mean, like I left it when I woke up.
Okay, I was about to say, it's 4:30, sir. Come out. Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm like, what? Yeah, but springs.
Hey. We already discussed. I already discussed with everyone on YouTube that the springs are coming and to not make fun of the fitment.
I like the tires. I really like these tires.
All right, so little update. I was driving to go get food on my way home from shooting that video that you just saw, and something punctured my tire.
I think it's a butt plug.
Might be a butt plug. But Dan just picked me up. We grabbed the stock wheels, which are going back on. This is the last time you'll see it with these stock wheels on for a while. After having them for,
bro, you have like
not even 24 hours.
Bro, you're gonna have the anti-drag setup. You're gonna have stocks in the back and a nice set of wheels up front.
So we're gonna go put the stocks back on, unfortunately, and I'm gonna go see tomorrow if I can either get a new tire under a warranty or if they can help me out with something, because I literally have ran the tires on the car for
12 hours?
a little over, yeah.
Oh no, like a day.
A little over 24 hours. So I'll check back in with you when we get over to the car. All right, so now that we know what it is, and this is the worst situation that could have happened today with the new tires. We're just gonna put the stocks back on, and I guess that'll be it until I figure out if I can get a new tire. Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, I'll keep you updated in the next video on what goes on with if I got a new tire or not, if I'm getting a new tire, who knows. I should find out tomorrow morning, so you'll probably see a video sometime at the end of the week. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.